We have seen Nigerians vote for people of the same Islamic faith into the presidency without turning the country into an unceasing battlefield. But we have not seen justice and equity done to all communities, irrespective of their faith. Millions of Muslims are politically marginalized in many parts of the country. The Ummah looks up to all for guidance and assurances that their faith will not be sacrificed on the altar of political opportunism and greed. Today, many Muslims are being encouraged to think they have been betrayed to vote for this administration. It is our task to assure them that our intentions and goals were honest and products of deep faith and fear of the punishment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must demonstrate beyond all doubt that no understanding exists between us, and this is our indifference and insensitivity to avoidable hardship will be tolerated. We must live above board, elevating the intrinsic values of Islam to the point that it makes the difference between good and bad leaders, between an informed citizenry and a gullible population, between a clergy that serves and fears and serves only Allah, and one which serves leaders of the day. We must remain steadfast in our pursuit of justice for the Muslims and non-Muslims, because this is our basic responsibility